Why are you eating a chicken nugget?
Well, I'm hungry.
We're recording. So, I'm Sarah, once again. I'm Melissa, and this is Science 101 with Sarah and Melissa. Today's lesson is never put 2 body parts in the microwave. And today, to show you what's going to happen, we're going to be using a fake baby doll, so don't get your panties in a bun. Please understand and leave your comments. We'll be back shortly recording how... Wait. Why you should not put a baby in my... 5 minutes. We're going to wait 5 minutes. Now we wait 5 minutes.
And we're waiting.
Now we put the baby in the microwave and wait 5 minutes.
You're recording, right? You have to like think of light when you're up there. What's up? Hey, hi, doll. You know we're recording, right? Okay. Aside from that, I'm Sarah.
I'm Melissa.
And this is